Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change Facebook page name. Changing the Facebook page name is super easy and simple. You have to follow few steps and you will be able to do it. So first you have to simply open your Facebook app. So for that, click onto the icon of Facebook and make sure you're logged in. Then you have to click onto the three lines from the top right corner. Once you click onto it, you will be there. Then you have to switch from your personal account to the Facebook page of which you want to change the name. Once you do it, it will just take a while and then you will be switched to your page. Then click onto the profile icon from the top right corner, and then you have to simply scroll down a bit and you will see the option for the settings and privacy. Click onto it. Then these options will come up. From there you have to select the first option, settings, and then you have to scroll down a bit and click onto the option for page setup. Once you find that option, click onto it, and then you will see the first option name. Click onto it and change the name. One thing you have to make sure that if you change the name, then again you will be able to change it after 60 days. So if you do any mistake, you have to wait for the next 60 days. Then it will show you the preview like the old name and the new name. If you're okay with that, simply change it, but it will take 3 days because we have sent a request for a name change, and after that it will accept it, and after that the name of the Facebook page will be changed. So that's how you can change the name of Facebook page. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.